The event really was to just honor the community. We've built a really successful and busy practice here in Boone doing acupuncture, oriental medicine, and natural medicine. And we basically just want to give back, say thanks. We give a lot of, Grant and I, the other clinician here, we've done a lot of stress reduction techniques, the ear system of acupuncture, which is great for pain and insomnia and stress-induced disorders. And so many Americans have stress-induced disorders. So we figured we'd just do some fun things and do some stress reduction, or what's called the auricular system, the ear system. Well, the Chinese New Year is this, it was actually a few days ago, but because it's part of our practice as a Chinese medical practice, we decided to honor Chinese New Year. So the procedure today is real basic. We're doing the system of auricular, which is just a medical word for ear. So we're doing ear acupuncture today for basically just stress reduction. That system is basically just clean the ear with some alcohol and do needles in the ear. Our procedures in general would be quite different than that, because if patients came with certain conditions, we'd want to arrive at Chinese medical diagnosis. So we'd go through an exam process with the patient where we would do radial pulse assessment, tongue assessment, and intake, and then arrive at Chinese medical diagnosis, and then acupuncture points are then selected based on organ function. And Chinese herbal medicines are prescribed based on organ function. So everything done in Oriental medicine or Chinese medicine is done on organ function, and the symptoms come when the organs get weak. And once we drive up their organ function, then the symptoms just go away. So basically we're just trying to get harnessing the body's ability to heal itself, and most of the time we can do that. We have massages this evening. We do not have a massage therapist out of the practice. We have Earth Fare. We do a lot of our food shopping there, and Earth Fare is here doing food. They've been really great about that, so they bought some food out today, which has been great. We have a really unique practice where I'm one of a few clinicians in the Southeast who have a degree in naturopathic medicine as well as Oriental medicine. So we have a very unique practice in that it's both Eastern and Western medicine. So our procedures are when patients come in, we basically do a consult and get all their complaints in the chart, and then I come in and advise on whether we'd want to do lab work on them, check hormones on them, do Chinese medical care on them. And Chinese medical care would consist of basically three things: acupuncture, Chinese herbal medicine prescription, and nutrition. And then so many conditions that people come in, let's say somebody comes in with asthma or skin conditions or anxiety or pain or sleep, they would be straight Chinese medicine patients. But if people come in with other things that have been going on a long time, or they don't have very thorough lab work, or they have not had lab work in a long time, then we might run hormone testing via saliva, or test their adrenals, or get a better look at their thyroid function or immune function via labs. So we have a very unique practice that way. I'd like to say that our goal and purpose is to help people get well and stay well. A lot of people out there are going from one clinician to the next and have been sick for years and are not getting better. The key thing to understand about human physiology is symptoms are not normal, and we don't want to do symptom suppression and just treat a symptom. We actually want to figure out what the cause of the symptom is, so that if we figure out the cause, we can actually get the patient better long term. So if we look at a symptom like a roof with a leak, we don't just want to put a bucket there for the leak. We actually want to look at the roof and fix the roof. And that's the difference between naturopathic medicine, which is modern medicine but treating the cause, which is a lot of this practice, and Chinese medical care is we actually treat the cause of the problem so that we can get people healthy long term and not just chase symptoms around.